In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Notion. This is a great way to organize your documents and have them readily available in one digital workspace. Notion is a powerful tool that allows for rich content management, and by adding PDFs, you can enhance the way you store and reference important documents. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Notion account. If you're not already familiar, Notion is a versatile workspace that supports notes, tasks, databases, and more. Having an account set up is crucial for leveraging its full potential. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your workspace dashboard. From here, let's create a new page where we will import the PDF. In the top corner of your Notion dashboard, there's an icon that allows you to create a new page. Click on this to get started. Creating a new page is essential as it serves as the canvas where your PDF will live. You can name this page based on the content of your PDF, ensuring that it's easy to locate in the future. Now, look towards the top right corner where you'll see 3 dots, commonly referred to as the menu or options button. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu has a host of useful options for page customization and management. But what we're interested in today is the ability to import files. In the drop-down menu, find and select the Import option. This function is key for bringing external content into your Notion workspace. On selecting Import, a variety of formats will be presented to you, such as Word, CSV, and more. But don't let that overwhelm you. Our focus is on importing PDFs. Next, click on the PDF option. This highlights that format and signals to Notion what type of file you plan to bring in. With this step, you're almost there. Finally, you will be prompted to select a file from your device. Navigate through your files and choose the PDF you wish to import. Click Open, and Notion will begin processing the import. This process varies in time depending on the size of your PDF, but it generally shouldn't take too long. Once completed, your PDF is now neatly tucked into your Notion page, where you can view and access it anytime. By following these steps, you've successfully imported a PDF into Notion, thus enriching your digital workspace. Remember, you can repeat this process for multiple PDFs, or even explore importing other types of files as you become more comfortable with the platform. Stay organized and enjoy the seamless integration of your documents with Notion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.